so special. I've watched the Rose Parade since I was a little child, and the idea to actually work on a float and then see the work you did go down, you know, the boulevard is really fabulous.
I mean, we painted a bedroom in our house, but we've never applied poppy seed and crushed coconut and crushed rice and macaroon to letters.
It's a celebration of tradition. A lot of credit goes to their determination to carry it on.
It's just a real pleasure to be able to come out here and see the horses meet the people who work with these amazing animals. So it is really a treat.
I come here to thank all of you for the support that you have for the use of music and music in our school.
I want to thank the 126th Tournament of Roses and their committee for putting this great event together. It's something you'll always remember. If this is your first time here, you won't forget it.
Welcome to the 126th Rose Parade presented by Honda.
It takes an entire year to build them. They're not just trucks covered in paper mache like in community parades, and every single inch needs to be covered with organic material.
It's just more special than ever before. I mean, it's always been special. That's what brought us here.
It's a beautiful sunny morning, perfect for equestrians, bands. The floats are gorgeous.
If you've never done this before, you will always want to do it if you do it once.
This is so exciting. It's just amazing. It's just a chance of a lifetime.
Thanks for joining us as we look back at the Rose Parade.